لم تدارك منك العناية فمن إلهي للمذنبين.
Do I have to stand with my hands on my chest and wide apart in the prayer? The position of the hands in the four schools, in the Maliki school, there is a sadl, which is placing the hands on the side. They also have a position of qabd, which is grasping the two hands together. In the Shafi'i school, above the navel. In the Hanbali and Hanafi school, below the navel. So we place the hands below the navel in the Hanbali and Hanafi schools. Placing it on the chest is based upon the hadith in Sahih of Ibn Khuzaymah, which the Hanafis apply for women. It is not necessary to place your hands on the chest. You follow the school that you follow, which determines for you what the hadith is actually saying. With regard to spreading the feet apart, the Salafis, they do this when praying individually when there is no reason to do so. They do this to join the feet in the congregation. But when you stand in the congregational prayer, if your shoulders are touching, your feet will not be wide apart. They will be wide enough to be parallel to your shoulders. They will not be very wide apart. So if you stand feet to feet and shoulder to shoulder, your feet should be apart enough, leaving a gap wide as your shoulders. But for some strange reason, the Salafis spread their feet so wide apart. You can see this in Wright Street and other Salafi masajid. Their feet are spread so wide apart that the shoulders will not touch. In fact, they should touch the feet and then touch the shoulders and the knees according to the hadith. But they spread their feet so wide apart that the shoulders do not touch in many cases. And then when they pray individually alone, they have their legs far wide apart. There is no daleel from the sunnah to do this. So you do not need to place your feet wide apart. If you are standing in the congregation, first you join the shoulders, and if there is a need, you join the knees and the feet.